Hey guys, welcome to LIMS Academy Phonics for Smart Readers. Today we are going to be learning about CVC words with simple sentences. Let's begin now. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. In this sentence, K is the consonant, A is the vowel, and Ch is the consonant. Now let's move on to the next one. She has a map. She has a map. In this sentence, Ma is the consonant, A is the vowel, and Pa is the consonant. Now let's move on to the next one. The pan is hot. In this sentence, H is the consonant, O is the vowel, and T is the consonant. Now let's move on to the next sentence. Can you hit at it? Can you hit at it? Here, H is the consonant, E is the vowel, and T is the consonant. He can dip and sip. Here, S is the consonant, E is the vowel, and P is the consonant. Ajar is in the car. In this sentence, K is the consonant, A is the vowel, and R is the consonant. Ben is 10 and has a pen. I jog in the fog. F is the consonant, O is the vowel, and G is the consonant. Now let's see the next one. The bus is red. Now let's take the word bus. B is the consonant, A is the vowel, and S is the consonant. Sam has a bad leg. Now let's take the word Sam. S is the consonant, A is the vowel, and Ma is the consonant. Pan has a dog. Pan has a dog. In this sentence, D is the consonant, O is the vowel, and G is the consonant. Now let's move on to the next one. Pat has a van. In this sentence, V is the consonant, A is the vowel, and Na is the consonant. consonant. Jin has a big hat. Jin has a big hat. In this sentence, H is the consonant, A is the vowel, and T is the consonant. Dan has a net. In this sentence, N is the consonant, A is the vowel, and T is the consonant. Mum has a pen. Now let's take the word pen. H is the consonant, A is the vowel, and N is the consonant. A pug on a rug. Now let's take the word rug. R is the consonant, A is the vowel, and G is the consonant. Are you mad or sad? In this sentence, M is the consonant, A is the vowel, and D is the consonant. Ken has 10 pens. In this sentence, K is the consonant, A is the vowel, and N is the consonant. Now let's see the next one. Can we run and run? In this sentence, K and a can. K is the consonant, A is the vowel, and N is the consonant. The dog sits on the rug. In this sentence, R is the consonant, A is the vowel, and G is the consonant. Now let's see the next one. Put the lid on the jar. Ben has a bin and a pin. In this sentence, let's take pin. P is the consonant, E is the vowel, and N is the consonant. Tam and Pam are in jam. In this sentence, Jo am a jam. Jo is the consonant, A is the vowel, and Ma is the consonant. She has a cat and mat. She has a cat and mat. Pat has a red mat. In this sentence, let's take mat. Ma is the consonant, A is the vowel, and T is the consonant. had a nap on the mat. The fat cat had a nap on the mat. Can we put the tin in the big bin? Can we put the tin in the big bin? Now let's see the last one. He can see the big red bug and the bun. He can see the big red bug and the bun. So that's all.